Okay, our next external factor is carbon dioxide. And for carbon dioxide, we can say, see here, this is the respiration reaction: glucose plus oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And here carbon dioxide is the product. And as you know, this is the reactant and this is the product. So if the increase amount of product, then definitely the process will be slower. That's why I wrote here, if product increased, then respiration rate will be decreased. Product means I am indicating the carbon dioxide. That means if carbon dioxide increases, then the product will automatically increase, and if the product is increased, then the respiration rate will be decreased. So we can say like this: rate of respiration is directly proportional to, not directly proportional, because here 1 by means inversely proportional. So we can say rate of respiration is inversely proportional with the carbon dioxide. That means inversely proportional means if the level of or amount of carbon dioxide increases, then the rate of respiration will be decreases, and if the amount of carbon dioxide reduces, then the rate of respiration will be increased. So just opposite, vice versa, right? So this is the things of carbon dioxide. Our next part is internal factors. There are many internal factors. Out of this, food materials. Here food materials indicating actually the carbohydrate food, because plant produces the carbohydrate food, mainly glucose, and through photosynthesis, right? And that glucose will be oxidized through respiration process. So the reactant of the respiration is the glucose. So glucose is the reactant of respiration. So we can say if the reactant increases, then definitely the respiration process will be increases. So that's why we can say if the food, that means glucose, or we can say carbohydrate, is increased, then the respiration rate will also be increased. Okay, so food materials indicating the glucose. And finally we can say like this: rate of respiration is directly proportional with the carbohydrate, because carbohydrate or food materials, or we can say glucose, if that is increased, then the rate of respiration will also be increased. If the carbohydrate or glucose is decreased, the production, then the rate of respiration will also be decreased. So to conduct or to continue the respiration process, carbohydrate or glucose supplying is to be ensured, and this ensurement will be occurred by photosynthesis. So through photosynthesis, the glucose or carbohydrate will be produced, and through respiration, this glucose will be broken down and energy will be produced. That's why these food materials or glucose or carbohydrate is acting as an internal factors.